quiet.
We are trying to get Likkle time.
Nevie, we don't go long.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle. With me is my husband Marcel. And today in the background we have Trimel and Isabel with us, but them quiet.
Yeah, whole family.
Yeah, so it's a Saturday evening and we are heading to Nevi. But it's just that it's a different route. This is the road Nevi is always saying, we cannot drive that side because that side is much better. But I don't know about the much better part, but because of the direction that we are coming from, we took this road to head to Nevi. So we're going late in the evening because Nevi today is his church day, so we have to respect that, and so we're going assuming that he is now back from church because we have to bring him the regulator, because the last time we went, brought the stove up because we thought the stove was the issue, but the stove is there and the gas is there and we still wasn't getting anything, so we're bringing him the regulator this evening so at least him can have the stove to use rather. But stay with us to enjoy the journey. And thank you so much for your continued support of the work that we do. Alright, it's kind of a bush journey, but please do still enjoy.
Yeah! At first you come up here so from hurricane blow. That's all?
Maybe, yeah, I think so.
I will pass.
It's a big hole over there.
Oh Jesus, the man just stop right in the middle road. Woo.
Those persons watching us for the first time may be wondering where we are. We're in Trelawney.
Now we are going to Nevi.
We're going to Nevi. This road here is Top New Hope. So we have 3 New Hopes. We have bottom, middle and top. So we're driving at the top here. So usually when we're going to Nevi and we drive the other road, that's middle New Hope. So this afternoon, this evening rather, we are in Top New Hope.
Yes, on a good run there? Yeah. You're quiet like when I eat. That's right. Nevi, I said, good enough, what long left so?
Yeah. What? Oh, okay. Such like this wall here.
Take it and carry it to them.
Okay.
This was walk on this way, we run from Booming. Ayun, so they drive away with you now.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Hold on here.
Them hold on.
You say hand, what that hold me for?
Everybody hold on as if to say it.
Yeah.
When I know hold
easy, I grab me, you know. Easy.
The road bad easy. Oh boy.
have mercy.
Oh no. Can we back up? Oh boy.
Come off, you know?
Oh no. Yeah, the spot deep.
So,
oh,
hold on, I go fix it when you reach out there, so I can't come up there, so.
watch your head. Wait, don't move it. Alright.
One stone there on the edge, so, you know?
Oh boy. The clips are still in there?
If you go look, I go down there, so clear apart, but look.
Road worse than the other one.
Worse.
Oh boy. See it?
The mud guard fly out, everything pop off. Tap on them, pop. Sacrifice when we make. Alright guys, we just smash up with car. Just smash up the vehicle.
Yeah. Ooh. I hope we don't have no more bad parts like that. We'll just pass up there.
But another thing I stone with the right in I
We're never driving this way again.
Never.
So guys, so we understand why most of the times when we go to Mass Nevi, we try to walk to avoid this type of thing. So usually if we drive, it takes us a very long time because we kind of have to just take with little itsy bitsy time. Spider step.
But a little itsy bitsy time it take through this.
Same way, and look, you know, but well.
and dirty. Yeah, touch. Things are papa.
See our next bad part here. Somebody throw some stuff in there, like some concrete or block or something. Oh boy. Okay.
If you go home, go doctor this, you know. Or nurse.
Have to check the road out.
Just a longer tail.
Longer here.
But you have to squeeze up.
Put on the seatbelt and true. Marcella, this spot don't look too good neither.
Master, if you don't know nothing about around here, so I tell you around here so better. Master, if you come out and you don't know about shop. I walk, Master, if you walk, go down the road.
You know what, this way either.
Watch me on him when me go. You better fix this.
Oh, I'm going to say full up of water.
Yeah, so you can't even see what I'm
You don't know
going.
what's in there, gotta take your time. May I assume it's just dirt. Yeah.
Don't tell me if you take time like me, I drive fast. I'm asking if you can't see good and him a lead way. Can't send me around here.
So it's helpful, I have to blame you, know.
Yeah. I said if you say around here so better and him not come around here. I asked him when last him come around here. Jesus, Mass Nevie!
See, it's a dark with me around here. No street light around here, so. Whoa. Okay.
So this is how you call this dangerous roads to Mass Nevie. Yeah? Well. They might do something to you, son.
Yeah, like then push it off, tractor so.
A man using fork and digger.
And did it off so clean?
Yeah, once. The tractor come on here, son.
No. As I say, because the sides look really clean.
My fork do it.
Thank goodness we almost reaching, then we have that other part to deal with.
If you go down, we have good way left to go on Nevie, you know. You think we reach, is it? You wouldn't like if we reach, because we have one whole stretch of bad road again. Now we couldn't turn back. Master Nevie bless and highly favored down. We in a bushes at hours at evening. 4 minutes to 7, you know.
Really? Yeah. Somebody's house.
Alright, take it easy. the material drop or something.
Yeah, almost couldn't pass.
Nothing with shovel.
I tell you.
From back. Already.
Alright guys, so we reached Nevi finally. Okay. Alright guys, so we're there. Here Nevi read the plane inside and him lock up because it's late. He's not expecting us today, but because we know we have the regulator to bring and we couldn't bring it earlier in the week, so we carry it now. So we practically go take him out in bed.
Open up! Police! Police fire.
Yes, man.
Police come for you.
Yes.
Where they are deal with?
Which person have to do? Just come on and I give you a page.
You just come on here? Eh?
Nevi!
Yes, ma'am.
What's up?
They are my sister.
So you lock up so early, I want
I said, I'm coming over to me one, I know. And the man just come in, you know.
Yeah, nobody come in.
Yes, so.
Why say you look like you use the stove?
No, sir.
You have too much pattern something.
Maybe I boil the food out there so somebody just put the food on the stove.
Oh.
You could have used it, man.
We just get to come with the regulator because we know you might want if you use tomorrow.
God, I mean, I say, how the rain for me that you look, the rain dropping, you know, man.
Me know.
I said,
mash up a vehicle to come up here. Come on here. How shall we drive?
Yeah, because we went to WhatsApp to get the regulator for you.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yes.
And the flashlight you can use?
The flashlight? What's that, Martin?
You can flashlight come?
Look like a
Brown and throw away.
Ma'am? What party?
You didn't have brown in the box up there, sir?
Yeah.
Sure.
So, Master Nevi,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
were able to bring in the regulator because we have an anonymous donor who usually donates and said to help someone in need. So
Yes, yes.
we chose to assist you
Yes, man.
from her donation. So we just want to say thanks to her.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, man.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh, you're going to change your hose tomorrow, sir?
Yes, I change everything.
So you can't
okay.
sit, all right, come on, I know what that, I didn't tell me, come on.
Master Nevi, how you say road round there so better? It bad so till it can't bad no more.
But I don't know, so.
It worse. Worse than this part now.
Master Nevi, I want not stop in this box. I want that train in the box.
Never you can come in.
You want where the stove coming out? How so much?
Oh, I was say I dropped somewhere in the Indian.
There's something black in there.
No, no, what then?
Wonder if a browning.
But me not see. Me not want the clamp will come in the box. Me not see it.
Clamp.
The clamp is what? How come in since you left?
It's clamp there, yeah, man.
Who tell me how come in?
Somebody come here and
Yes,
do.
man. My guy, they come and I look on it.
Oh.
The one that did phone.
Phone.
The one that did the phone there. When you call him, I tell you, say, I come here.
For bro.
You up.
So you still have people that come here and look for anything on the telephone. You must have it.
Yeah, to see in the bar, so you may say,
So now he lost the clamp.
Because the clamp when I put on the stove, me not see that. No clamp there, sir.
This hour. This hour.
Right.
Dinner.
Let me see. Let it go. No, sir, this are not this. I don't know what this. It's a different something. Let me have some screw business.
So then the man supposed to the clamp, the man supposed to depend on
You
you.
clamp coming out the thing. I'm gonna let it two of them there.
Yeah, everything was in the bag.
And then I'll give it on clamp in this.
Well,
And the piece of by the wire with the tie and the hose on this. That's all. You take off it.
so I'm so somewhere
That can't do nothing in the box.
dinner.
Every time we come, we have challenge with the stove.
Right now, you're not getting no stuff for you tonight, you know.
Good.
Because the clamp missing.
One clamp, my guy make you one clamp come in the camera.
But two clamp within the thing there, wait there.
Siwanya.
What is that?
One clamp, one.
So this a regulator. So this a regulator, you see?
Yeah.
What is the day?
Where this is there?
A road man, he can't come here.
When?
He said, as you put up rope on it,
Oh, him carry it when?
in a week. He said that they could have work.
So I never asked if put on it here.
He said he can't put on it.
I mean I see no clamp in and no clamp not there. And one clamp there. I want the clamp to call roof up. Then say I want the clamp, so I ask him when put it.
But you not go find me now, sir.
My phone up by the car.
Why cooking all the way up? I'll have something like push on.
Oh boy.
I'm telling you, I'm listening and so I'm come back and have it.
Now what the dinner? What the kill you man.
What a stress, Master Nevi.
Oh God.
Eh? So we come and left everything. Now we come back, we can't find the clamp.
Master, the whole community is supposed to know say you want to regulate for your stove. Yeah?
Yeah.
Everybody know, no, Joe?
No, sir. I'll be you like me.
Everybody come and do something and then no.
Fix a car regulator, I will understand what I want.
I mean, I need to ask me, I'm telling you, go regulator you want. You know. So, you say, this regulator come here, you say, no. So, I be okay, one come. Up to this film,
so you say no, I still have you.
up to this film,
Hi, Roop. Evening, how you doing? Okay, here what happened now? Okay. Alright, no bother, up a Mas Nevi with it. Mas Nevi, where you there?
Me find him, clamp. I clamp with a call about, me find him.
I'm a birthday today,
Are you burnt night?
got it right in.
everybody bad me.
Okay.
Today we got a birthday too.
What argument, sir? You know,
Mm-hmm.
with the right hunt me, I come up.
Okay.
You know, only though, remember?
Yes.
Alright, now be here. Coming up the road. We see how we try to come down.
We don't care about that. We don't care about what you do. We don't care about what you want to do yet.
And
Coming up.
I 15.
Alright.
I 15.
Alright, Roop.
You can't be my youth.
Roop.
On my phone.
No, that.
We were looking for the clamp, but we find it.
You find it?
Yeah.
What thing I have in your pocket?
No, me don't walk with that double pocket. I do liquor.
Oh.
Alright, later, happy birthday.
And I did.
Just so. I'm very just so. No liquor. No.
Which liquor? You don't sound like you can take one more liquor for the day.
You know, I come from a bush. You know, me don't take it out. Thursday or West.
Also,
Me too.
You can't go on side.
Me too thirsty.
What you want to answer me on? Never out. Me the final road I come up on.
okay, alright.
Look yourself.
Alright, pick up yourself to Roop.
I 15. I was in my birthday.
15 of what?
This month here.
You did tell us before?
Yeah, me tell you, I'm born. No, me tell you,
You ban me.
yeah.
Happy belated birthday, Mas Nevi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh no. What the dark?
Oh, the dark and this and so bright.
What you mean? This light is very bright. You not see brightness?
Yes, well, me mean
You not see?
Me mean the pig.
Oh, for shine in here outside?
Outside.
You can't do that. You'll have to get one different one for outside.
Yes.
So how was church today?
It's all right.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So what?
Yes, sir.
How are you cook for dinner tomorrow now?
No, no, sir.
You have to go to a shop, don't you?
Yeah. Wow, everything them there.
Huh?
You carry the salt down, you know the salt in this.
How you done so quick?
Mackerel and hungry mackerel. And I believe beef me cook last night.
Oh. So only mackerel you have left with the carry sardines too, you know? You eat those already?
Yeah, I mean, 3 tin of sardine.
3 tins and 3 tin of mackerel and they corned beef.
Go to them come and still on 2 when we call, maybe give 1 2.
Oh, you're sharing?
Yeah.
I'm not share with me, I share with the local.
You share with everybody, sir.
I'm going to take you out for my house and blow down.
And that you tell you. I say you turn up to me, brother. You turn up more than you want. My sister did that so but you turn up.
You know what happened? You look like my last clamp.
So the see it here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Girl, I know why not too much problem again. For me, that hurt me.
Yeah, that hurt you.
Oh God. I just show the rain up all now. Nothing would me can look.
Yeah, one light over there. So let me use the phone.
You want pretty voice?
Let's see if we can.
Push on it and leave it.
Why?
Leave your pot, turn over.
Take it off of it, man. And
Tell
put
us if you run out to push out the kitchen, you know. Here.
take the pot and put down this. Ashes can go in.
You get ashes to scour your pot.
Yes.
And I no time for score your pot, you
I
know.
know you may attack me, say me.
No, me I say, me no have no time for score it
You
now.
know, you go down no time at night and woman.
What mean in a night? Not in a day.
Night and woman.
Just don't have no time at all right now.
Right now. Easy like a ants.
Yeah, man.
My dogs are stubborn. Oh, the cramp.
You know, when I deny it, my boss.
Me know,
Oh, you know.
you did the farm, man.
You see, you know, and you ask me that question.
You go park today?
You work every day, my general.
Can't work so, man.
Yeah, for rest, not true.
Oh, God, you can't work so bad. Remember saying woman, you are one body, you know? Oh, you're tandy.
Mass Nevi
Tell me
said.
what I go do. Me I go home, go rest.
Yeah,
And then when me rest, me go fix up this for you.
no, you come already. You come now.
See that?
Come already, man. So you put the back, come back.
That don't make no sense, not true, Mass Nevi.
man. So, tomorrow you rest, man.
Huh?
Tomorrow you rest.
Oh, Jesus. Every day me at it. Make sure I say, you know, like, no fire out there tomorrow.
No, God.
But you can't even find no wood because the rain
rain
fall,
get up.
everything wet.
I mean, I say, if me no see you too, if me no, if me never look for you still.
Yeah, see what you do.
Then I look for you, me say, boy, I have to go along so get some question and let me know soon.
May I do the question now?
Get the fire.
I don't like plastic, man.
But, why are you using the mask and give me too much problem?
This thing is a piece of work.
That was good, I guess. Here you sing at church this morning.
Yeah.
Where you sing say again?
God is good, man.
God is good, you sing say.
Yeah.
Boy, that's supposed to be.
Alright. That take care of that.
But the matches, the Mass Nevi, make we test it. This thing have to move.
Okay,
from
somebody
side.
did make a comment and say we put the cylinder to the side. But the only reason why we didn't have it to the under the bottom of the stove was just because it never did,
Yeah.
you know, fit up or anything. But we still take your advice and we thank you for that. See me I say? Yeah.
Yeah.
So anytime they say we must have enough, we have no stove, we just take it. Because when they tell you we are following, you know.
Yes.
So if they say, don't give us every no stove, we just take his stove carry home.
Yes.
Not sure.
Alright.
You agree?
Yeah, my sister, you know how to do it.
You have to do it.
You have to do it, man.
You have to do it, man.
No order.
Order.
Work with the order.
Yeah, we can't broke no order.
We're not taking any order doing no Mass Nevi.
Oh.
On the good orders we take. You have the matches or the lighter?
I look right.
Oh yeah. Oh, you don't need it. See there? Like no Mass Nevi.
The light, you know. God bless me, sis, my boy. Go through it, you know.
Take care of her. Pull off.
And we're gonna move this too.
You know, me I look pan. The thing up on the top, the man. I don't know how it stack up so.
You can't go on me.
Put the pot pot. I said it coming up.
You can't turn down to me there, was it? Oh yeah. That's some massive in and if you turn it down.
Me turn it right down.
Me turn it down, man.
Turn it around till the bucket turn down, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I see where it work like the last one where
Yeah, man. Minimum, man.
Okay, good. See.
Peas and rice I cook on this tomorrow.
Come turn on the man's Nevi, I can test you.
Don't like it to see where you are, because we don't want to find it. We have to go call if you don't like it.
Move that box. Hold on, no more.
One show me don't put your hand up like I stove, just turn off, you know.
So, this one, yeah?
Yeah, man, you can do that one day.
Turn it down now, turn it down.
Right?
Yeah. So, it is a turn on, you have to come back away, so.
Yeah, then no, you can't.
Turn off it.
Just turn it right round when you come
back away.
Turn it on and turn it all the way around.
No.
Turn it off. Right.
Turn on it.
So,
right round same way.
Same way, bro.
Same way.
Yeah.
But till the buck.
See, turn down. So when you use it, you don't need the flame for higher than that.
Yes, man. Good.
So your bucket go right around.
Yeah, man.
You know how much water that could have boiled since you have it?
Yes, turn off in our mass Nevi.
You know what gas you burn out since you do that?
Alright, so Mass Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
We bring your chicken and a few little things in the box there.
Yes, ma'am.
As well as regulate. And as I said before, it's from an anonymous donor who usually send us donation and said to help someone in need.
Man, God bless you.
Right, so as a result of that.
Yes. Yes.
So as a result of that, we were able to assist you. And we want to thank her and we pray that her store basket may never be empty.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so it's a night, so we are gonna leave now.
Yes, man. God bless you, man.
Yeah. I know, but because we know we wouldn't be able to come tomorrow. Today's our daughter's birthday.
Yes.
So much left here what we carry?
Yeah.
What we carry?
Chicken.
Yes. So in that box, so
yes. Tomorrow we cook it.
Cook it tomorrow.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, so I was saying
you can't turn off, you know if you turn off the gas, not sure.
Me not turn off.
Once you turn off the stove, you don't have to trouble nothing.
No, I'm going to stop my business with it.
yeah.
Me no business with gas and so me don't know, sir. No, man.
Alright.
Let me look, you know when if you have one girl hiding in the market, you lock up in there so early.
Me I tell you something from
Oh yeah, look for over there, sir.
You think she could have one over there?
for 5 o'clock. For 5 o'clock, me so
I say we go to bed from 5 o'clock every day.
For you want me one and nobody come and if anybody come and me like come pick on me with me. I'm someone is if I sleep you know. At sometimes me I listen 5 o'clock news. And with them me just sleep awake. Me don't hear the news again.
News gone long time.
News I listen you like that.
Yes, man.
Okay, so Mass Nevi, I was saying to you before Marcel interrupt that today is our daughter's birthday, so we know that wouldn't be able to come tomorrow.
Yes,
because she's not 100, she don't feel too well today, so we're going to take her somewhere tomorrow.
Yes, man.
So we wouldn't be able to come. So we make sure so we come from this evening.
Yes, man.
So you're alright for tomorrow.
Yes, man. You consider it now.
So alright guys, so this is where we end the video for tonight. Normally we say today, but tonight now.
Yes.
So until next time, we thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Yes. So that's really for me.
Must have you can't wait.
No, for me, you know why you gonna have a problem. That's the biggest problem for me and my company.
Oh, okay.
Better than man.
Yes, man.
So bye bye to the persons watching.
Yes, man. Bye bye.
Yes, and
God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Yes.
Yeah. God bless you, man.
Yeah, man. God bless you too.
God bless you too for come up. And I tell my real concept.
It's your rainfall.
Rain jump.
And you don't get no wet.
No way.
Thanks for that.
Man.
Yes.
I say today the rain fall, I say me not in left for the jump up in the jump from there. Oh, it tell dry.
You're not expecting it to rain.
No rain.
Yeah.
When the fall did that church?
It's even start so, you know?
Yeah.
It start around 12 o'clock, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, start early.
You might start early and it'll fall long too. Fall around 2. And fall hard.
Yeah.
So you are there back, don't you so back?
And then they may drive, and we never drive, they come.
The drive
Yeah.
my bad part, so you tell me say better.
It's not 5 car around there, so.
Oh gosh. Sir?
I say you call it. You have to go pay to fix it.
I go over there, you have to charge if I go, the man say the
No, you send around them, man.
I go over there, I send the man, and I'll give them sin and when they catch print at them pop up and all this in there. All of the week gone, no picking, some picking couldn't go to school. Boy, I never seen not so much bad road in this country as any man saying get money so.
Alright, we're not going to talk about that.
Anyway you turn.
Yeah.
I be a bad road now, cause.
Yes. You like bright?
Yes, sir.
You're pretty.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So, blessed love. Until we meet again.
Yeah.
Take care.
Let me turn on the radio.
Yes, sir.
Before you get eaten. I'm asking you. I say you turn on the radio.
Alright, guys. So, we left Mass Nevi now. Now we go yard. We are going to cook with dinner. 7:28 p.m. Oh Lord. Yeah. Take him a kajukui. So what about that?
Alright guys, so we're taking the regular route that you're used to us walking up. So this is the other end of the road and we're driving down. So we're praying that we won't have any mishap like we did when we were coming to Mass Nevi. So now we're leaving Mass Nevi. So
We're going to have one mishap on the next side.
yeah, can you imagine? Oh boy.
Light in a roof house, he must come up already. He must be drunk and go asleep.
But they better pass, can say interesting and no water. I want to talk.
Yeah, I want to rain and fall and you're supposed to be thirsty. You want to rain and fall, roof, you don't want nothing for drink. But water.
Not nice.
Now if it's too fresh, you put salt in it.
Not nice at all.
It's not nice.
Are you?
Oy.
Okay. Feel like we're in a bubble.
Hey, you're hot, you know?
I know. Why would we?
Sure, isn't it?
Oh.
Alright, we'll take it, Likkle.
Okay, well. What's up?
I said, gossa.
Bossa left.
Bossa left, bossa right.
Oh, no. Hold on, guys.
Alright.
Oh no. Okay.
I never always drive that side, you know? But when I want to go over that side, they go make nothing pop off.
Oh boy. Should just extra.
Huh?
Let's see, hold on and let's try to stand up.
Let's try pop off his seat back.
Yeah, stand up because she figured she do that then. You don't know.
A simple walk. If you walk, you better not smell. So a lighter comes on the sound if I rook.
Oh boy. The trick is not to have the door going down on anything like over the side.
Yeah.
That's the trick.
But if you make the road, you might have problem.
Yeah. Oh no.
You're hiding in a bush.
I don't know who I come.
what could have really happen around here so now? Take your light off, right?
Okay. You don't blame them. You see lighter coming in the night, you have to take care of yourself.
I wanna hide in a bush, but yeah.
Hi. Oh, we think afraid and afraid and I hide.
What really could have happened on this road? Nobody can hurt you and run on this road. That's all. So you're so bad, so you fix this part here. Chewy.
Can't fix it, not true. Oh no.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, good
You
night.
too.
Ah, you don't tell you. No, we're not going
He up there, he up there.
He up there.
That's what we're going to start out for him.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Yes.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Just say, alright, Nevi, you don't got it.
God bless Nevi.
She have to go look if you up there. She have pass, she have to call him.
She always calling. She calls. Whoa. So.
Let me go see a big live vehicle there in the end of my part there. When I hear them, they are brush. You have to put one wheel on the tall part and one on the low part. It's like your battery now is dead now. Yeah?
And the alarm.
Yeah. Which one is to drive now?
No, are you? No.
Over this side?
Yeah.
You were so nice because it make like car go brush. See it?
Worst road. Woo. Last time we did pop off something down or something.
Alright, that's fine. Nevi, your sister. You can't give me that light there. That look like me now see good. What happened?
How are you?
You're good, how you
Good
doing?
night. How you doing?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna start out the store for Mass Nevi.
Okay, darling.
Yeah. So big up yourself.
Yeah, man, you too, dear.
Alright, yeah. Me not sweating no man. I'm like carry me, I carry a car.
Man, if you
We
drive
don't know
and
nothing.
rest.
Young boy.
If you drive and rest.
Look like come like me lift up your car we don't know anything. And that make it extra heavy.
Man. Oh, it's horrible. Hmm? Oh my.
It a happen, we make it happen.
Whew. We're almost out of the bad part.
This is stop and rest.
Call it a night.
Call it a night and done, not you? Jesus.
Have a swimming pool. Oh yes.
It's not over now. Vasa. Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. It's done. Yes, it's over and done. It's done.